Alhamdulillahi wahda wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da amma ba'd. With regards to Niyaabat on behalf of dead person, there's difference of opinion as in most issues. Can someone perform bodily acts on behalf of someone who passed away? So there are two narrations which are apparently contradictory to each other. One is from Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, and hadith are sahih, both are completely authentic hadith. So Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha said, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever dies and has pending fast, let his guardian wali fast for him. Hadith is clear on this import, which is that one has to perform the acts of obedience, especially prayer or fasting on behalf of the deceased person. And there is another hadith which is from Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhuma, who said that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no one is to pray on behalf of another person and no one is to fast on behalf of another person. So based on this narration, Hanafis have the opinion that one cannot be deputized for bodily acts. One can definitely perform the acts of obedience which are monetary. For example, charity, zakat, fidya or fitra. And likewise, hajj, which is bodily as well as financial. So the hajj can be performed on behalf of someone else by consensus. Zakat can be performed by someone else on behalf of deceased person. But with regards to prayer and fasting, Hanafis do not allow that. And this is based on Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhuma's hadith. And Imam Shafi and others, rahimahumullah, they allow it based on Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha's opinion. The answer to this hadith of Sayyidah Aisha is the fact that Sayyidah Aisha on her own, when she was asked about this issue, she did not allow herself. So what she said that you can't do it. Rather, she said, you have to do the fidya on behalf of that person. So Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha was asked about a woman who passed away with obligatory fast she owed. The question was, can the daughter perform on her behalf? And she's the one narrating the hadith about fasting on behalf of the dead person. So she instructed the woman's daughter to feed others on behalf of deceased mother and do not fast on her behalf. So this is from Sharh Ma'ani al-Athar and Mushkil al-Athar, Imam Tahawi. So Imam Tahawi explained this by saying that with that, it is very clear, a narrator would never ever contradict his or her own narration. If they do, then there is something on, in the hadith corpus which perhaps is not known to us. Now with Abdullah ibn Abbas's hadith, radiallahu ta'ala anhuma, it's very clear a bodily act cannot be performed on behalf of a dead person. So how would you square? We say that the hadith of Sayyidah Aisha was abrogated. It was when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not made aware of the fact that the bodily acts cannot be performed by someone else. Hence the initial narration, which is sahih, but was abrogated by the hadith of Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Abbas and also by the fatwa of Sayyidah Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha about the old lady who didn't fast on time and then she passed away. So hopefully that would clarify. This is the stance of Hanafis. So they do not allow individuals to fast or pray on behalf of person who passed away. Rather, they have to do fidya, monetary compensation. Jazakallahu khair.